Good morning, McDonald's Canada. So another toy again tayo from Tiny Tan, inspired by BTS. BTS fans lover there. Let's check who is inside. It's V. Oh, there you go. Ang cute nila lahat, mga palangga. So you need to collect all of this if you are a fan of BTS. Ayan, thank you so much for watching. Sa mga followers ko dyan, thank you so much for watching my video. See you again on my next vlog. Thank you so much. So if you like my video, you can follow me, you can subscribe me, and then para updated kayo sa aking ipopost na mga Happy Meal toys. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye-bye.